Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me, and by the title you already know this video is gonna be lit. I already gave him the motivational speech. Baby, you can do this. You ain't gonna make me look crazy in these streets, you understand? And we're gonna be following an Auntie Jackie makeup tutorial. He said he prefers this look. I showed him a couple and he likes this one the best. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But wait, before we go anywhere, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be in the know when I post a new video. Alright guys, let's go. Jackie. Hey! You can do this. You have to tip it. Yeah. You want to see how she did that again?
Yeah.
She just rub it on her face.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, you go. You go, boy. You go. Ooh, yes. Get into it, guys. Yes. I think my nose needs a little bit of love. Yeah. Yes. Nice. There we go. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle under there. Yes, come through, honey. You can put it in the back of my hand a little bit, and you could dab. Yeah, how much of it you want to use. Cover it before you knock it over. I'll help you. Go ahead, my makeup artist, and you look at the motion that she's using.
Underneath my foundation, and I just think it was a little too yellow for that before step. If you feel like my foundation is more yellow, it's not.
Bounce. Yes.
The powder, which is fine. That's definitely correct. I wasn't going to contour for this tutorial, but now
Going too fast. No, not you. She was going too fast. Don't you see? Bounce, babe. Bounce. Yes. Bounce it in.
And make sure you see that foundation over. So you go back in with some more. Yeah. Make sure I'm blended to perfection, huh? Really blended it in there, boy. Yes. Is it looking even?
I wasn't going to contour for this tutorial, but now I kind of have to. I don't want my face looking extra.
Yes, chisel me out. This is gonna give me. Oh no, you don't.
Chisel me out.
Yeah.
And some on top. Yeah.
Alright, let's see what she goes to next.
From NARS, from Color Almond, and a Sigma Concealer Blend Kabuki F79 brush.
Maybe look how I normally go out. Yeah? A little bit more. Ooh, really stabbing me in the eyelid.
Let me see. That's awesome. Right.
Good?
Yeah. I think so.
Good? Alright. See how beautiful blending is, isn't it? I can't see the lines. Watch it. Look how the areas are supposed to look, yeah?
On the top of the forehead?
Yeah, everything's supposed to blend in to not look like lines. Ooh, you're blending it down.
To the evolution powder, I'm going to go ahead and set the under eye area and my forehead, center my face. Take your time. Drive slow, homie. Okay? Take your time. Do around. Do around. I'm falling out. Not. No. The hell. Not about to come in this on my heart.
So see what you
Let's
did?
dust now and blend out along my bottom lash line.
Okay, let me pause it. Going too fast.
Dust now and blend out along my bottom lash line. Now with my pencil brush, I'm smoking that out. Take shower, just start adding that. Then to soften up the crease area, I'm going to take a shower and just start adding that in.
See? So just use.
It's not really the look of
Okay, so what kind of brush you use?
Who's that?
Oh, no. I like blend it in so you can't see it. You know? You're doing good, babe. You're doing good. Doing really good.
While my lash glue dries, I'm going to take my Casino bronzer from NARS and shine it. Those of you guys that have been asking what.
Yeah? Use it
I really wanted the shoes to be like warm and youthful and just peachy, so I'm gonna take Rose Dioro from Milani, and you can really go, well, at least on my skin tone, but it barely shows up, so I'm just gonna like keep adding and adding and adding. Now adding a skinny highlighter.
You're right.
Brown highlight, so I'm gonna take a
Yeah.
little bit, a teaser of that highlight
Nice, so
right
beautiful.
in this
So
area.
beautiful.
Rather do
Yeah,
that
so
after
beautiful.
that today. So first I wanted to take a Dangerous Red, which is a pretty deep, especially when I'm gonna do a second color, I just go right over it. I just do a straight line instead of following my cute road.
You don't want that.
More rustic. Applying that in the middle of my lips, basically filling in the
Okay, so let me see. All right. I love how my lips look. Yes. All right. Highlight. I see you where the contour supposed to go. Okay, Cupid's more highlights. Ooh, the blush came down really low. These brows. They look depressed.
I was trying to get my artist, but I just wasn't. It just wasn't coming true.
And the rounded eyes. I see you. I see you try. All in all, this wasn't so bad. I mean, you went in down there. Oh, I look like a slight vampire. But thank God it's not daylight and I cannot go anywhere looking like this. Let me just flip it to the magnified side. Oh my gosh. But You know what? My skin looks good though. You really blended that foundation in. And I mean, you know, the under eye. And this is without powder. This is alright, Bobby. I see.
That'll be 150.
That was appointment. If you want Bae to do your makeup, comment down below, guys. You heard it here first. Let Bae do your makeup. He'll have you snatched, right? And looking like a whole snack. Okay, guys. So thank y'all so much for watching. Next time, comment down below if I should do his makeup next after he have me looking like a whole vampire.
No.
Oh, guys, see you next time. Bye. That's my ending.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm a female voice. Bye.